how to make him want you more. How to make that man want you more after your first snacking with him. He wants you more. It's really hard to get to see a man that wants a lady after a first round. The man wants you more and more. Hello guys, you're highly welcome to another sweet exciting topic on this platform. My name still remains Ogo. Okay, if it's your first time to come across this program, okay, don't forget to share, like, and even drop a comment on this topic. Okay, on today's topic I want to discuss on how you make a man want you more after first knocking with you. Before a man starts to knock you, make sure that you're extremely clean. What I mean by clean, like extremely extraordinary clean. So many ladies are kind of, you just leave yourself. You like, I beg that one no me. It mean if you want a man to, after sleeping with you, the man wants you more, the man wants to have more of you. Always remember to be clean. Your number one step is for you to what? Remember to be clean. From your head down to your toes, remember to be clean. You get good fragrance, like kind of Sure. So many girls don't even know how to use Sure. Get a good perfume. At least have a good shower. Have a good shower. Spray perfume all over you. Use Sure, any deodorant that have good fragrance. Okay. So that is our first tips. All right. Our second tips is remember, please, that it's really very necessary. When a man is knocking you, always learn to knock back. Always learn to knock back. So many ladies, they know how to feel so reluctant. They will like, I beg, the man is there to do the job. See, on the bed, the job is meant for the man and the woman. It's not just meant for the man. Okay, if a man is knocking you, either he's on top of you or you're on top of him. Sorry. You both should do the knocking together. If a man is on top of you and is knocking you, learn to twist your waist. Like, learn to go round him. When he has widened your legs and he's on top of you, knocking you, learn to twist your waist. Okay, don't just sleep, don't just lie down so dormant. Like, don't just feel so reluctant. At least your hands should do jobs. There are square of jobs this your hand will do on a man's body, and the man will be like, what is this girl really doing to me? Our hand is there to help us. We have these hands to help us now. Okay, we have our hands to help us. When a man is on top of you, remember to do back. Don't just relax. Okay, use your hands to romance his back. Touch him gently, and as you're touching him, you're telling him words. You're telling him how sweet he is. Like, baby, you're so sweet. The way you're touching me, the way you're doing it, the way you're making me go crazy. Always learn to talk to your man. Remember to talk to your man. Our number one tips is cleanliness. Before anything, be clean. Our second one is remember to knock him back. Don't just feel reluctant. Don't just relax as if he is the man, is the one to do the job. Always remember. Our third one is remember to talk to your man. Communication matters. Communicate with him. Tell him okay, this side of my leg, go this corner, shift to the other corner, go up, turn me back. I want to feel you. I want to touch you. I want to kiss you. All of those talks will make that man. The thing is really making a man go crazy. And see, remember, if you are about going the phone is going higher, the phone is going deeper, remember to give that man a blowjob. Is really necessary. Every man loves a blowjob. No man hates a blowjob. So if you get to remember to give your man a blowjob, you've gotten his heart. You've gotten his heart. So giving him a blowjob is not just for you to I think I've done a video about that. Okay, so remember to give that man a blowjob. All right, and when he's on top of you, tell him you want to be on top of him. Okay, don't just allow him be on top of you. Tell him, baby, I want to ride you. Let me ride you like a horse. Let me show you how good I am. Let me go in. Let me dip inside of you. Talk. Allow your voice do justice now. Okay, there is a way you talk to a man. Bring out that bedroom voice. We have our normal kind of voice outside the room, and once you are inside the room with your man, bring out that bedroom voice. Like, baby, touch me, baby, I want to feel you. Baby. Bring out that voice. There is this bedroom voice that men do like from us. Always remember to bring out that bedroom voice. If you're on top of that man, knocking that man, talk to that man, ask him if he's enjoying whatever you're doing to him. In your bedroom voice, baby, are you enjoying it? Are you serious? Are you for real? Are you enjoying it? Should I go further? Should I fuck it? Talk to that man in your bedroom voice. Ask him. Learn to ask your man if what you're doing to him, if he's enjoying it, because you might not know if he's not enjoying it, but if he says he's enjoying it, then you add more pressure to whatever you're doing. Okay. And if you want to come, tell him so the both of you can come together. Okay, if you want to come, tell that man so the both of you can do what? Come together. Like, baby, I want to come. Should I come? Should I come, baby? Should I come? And make that sound. So many people, they'll be like, they will not even allow the man know when they come. When the both of you come together, it's sweeter. It's sweeter. Your man comes, you come. Okay, it's sweeter and kind of it reduces stress, because when you don't come and the man hasn't, he will still want to come. So at least let the both of you come together. Tell him you want to come. Allow him know. Give him that notice. Give him that feelings that you're coming already. Let him know. That is our last tip. So let me count it. I said about cleanliness. Okay, cleanliness matters before anything, before any knocking, from your head down to your toes. Make sure you're extremely clean. Number 2, knock your man. As he's knocking you, remember to knock him back. Don't just feel reluctant. Knock your man back. Knock him back. Number 3, remember to give him a blowjob. Blowjob. Don't just forget blowjob. Blowjob matters. It helps in knocking. Okay. Number 4, what's it called? Communication. I talk about communication. Communicate with him, okay, in a good language that he will understand. Communicate with that man. Number 5, tell him, ride him, be on top of him. Let him know that you two can do more than what he just did. Ride him, be on top of that man. That is our number 5 tips. Then the last one is when you're about to come, you let him know that you're about to come. It's really necessary. Letting the man know so the both of you could come together. It helps, okay? And I think it's sweeter. It's really, really sweeter. The inside of you will get very cold. As the man pours out, you pour your own, and everything will be very, very cold. So I gave you 6, and I really wish and want you girls should go learn it. If you're a man watching this video, share this video. Maybe your girlfriend could get to learn from me. If she's not good in knocking, if she's not good whenever you're knocking her, share this video. Let her see it on your profile. If you're a married man and you're the one watching this video, share it to your profile. Share it on your WhatsApp. Let your wife get to see it. Maybe she's not good on bed. Okay, let her watch this video and bet me she'll come out like she would start giving you styles. Just share this video, okay? Share this video. And alright guys, I've come to the end of my program, and I will see you all in my next video. Remain blessed, okay? I still remain Ogo, and this still remains Ogochukwu's page. I love you all so much. Bye.